Hi, welcome to the Rewist channel, your channel. So today we're gonna use Mendeley. Rapidly, we're gonna use Mendeley. Our first use. Let's jump right in to use Mendeley. Okay, it's not so difficult. You will see how. So by that, I'm going to Google. Okay, just go to Google. I put my keywords. My keywords was COVID-19 vaccine and side effect. Okay, now as you can see, the first one I take it because it got side effect in the title, and we are searching for side effect. And why I take it? Because it's a CDC website, it's a government website, it's a trustly website. So anyway, no problem for that. I click on the Mendeley icon to save this research. I click. Okay. Mendeley tell me that I consent that I use the data. Okay, I consent. Okay. Don't forget that on Mendeley you have to sign in. So I think for me I was already signed on, but you have to sign in. Sign in before, because that can ask you, this software can ask you to sign in. Okay. I click on the article and I add it. When you add it, this article goes to the library folder or collection folder. You see my library. Oh, let's go to the library folder. But if I want to change the folder, I can click it and use other collection that I created before. But for now, we are going to let it there in the library for software folder. Okay, that's why. First article save. What else? Let me see what else I got. Anyway. Okay, no. Continuously. Okay, information about Moderna vaccine. I see side effects. Maybe that happened within 7 days. Or I click on it. Okay. Now to save this article, I click on the Mendeley button, and that's it. I add it again. 2. Okay. Continuously in the same way. Vaccine side effects. Okay, no problem. So continuously. Okay, I like it. No problem. Let's go. Okay. Not number 2. Efficacy, no. Efficacy, side effect. Side effect there. Okay, that's why I added. And let's go. Let's go. Good. Continue. Okay. There. I got side effects there. Okay. Pfizer. Continue to the same way. Okay. Wow. Interesting. I click on the button. Always there. Okay. I select and I add. No problem. No problem. Then, what else? Okay. Yield. Okay. Interesting. I click on the button again and I add it. No problem. So, at that point, I'm okay. Consider that we guess that I already read all those articles, I already read all those relevant spot It belongs to my study. I guess. Okay, I guess just to go faster. Now, I go to Word, Microsoft Word. What I'm trying to do, I'm going to write to write text. So, okay, okay, okay. Continuously, okay. There, I have to put anyway. I have to put a reference here. I have to put a reference here. To put a reference, okay. To put a reference, we have here the schools. As you know, you have the schools. We get American Medical Associations here. We got American Political Science Associations. We got American Psychological Associations. We got American Sociological Associations. So anyway, we got Chicago Manual of Styles, the 7th editions, okay, author and date. We got Harvard reference format, and we got IEE. So IEE is in Vancouver. For me now, I will use IEE Vancouver school. Okay, we got other school. Okay, but I will use IEE. No problem. For IEE, the reference should be there before the point. Okay, now I will insert my reference. To insert the reference, I click on Insert Station there. I click Insert, and now I have to remind me the title of the article that I've saved. It is very important to remind. So in case that you forget, you can just put some keywords that we need to do. Side effect. Okay, you will find a lot. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the search that we have done with keywords, side effect. I think this one, the first one. Okay, this is my reference, my first reference for these sentences. And I continue. Okay, as a matter of fact, okay, oh, I have to put another reference. Oh, okay, no problem. No problem, I'll put it. I just click on insert station there. I forget I put the keyword on again. Side effect. Okay, oh, I can, this is one, okay, yes. And I click on OK. That's why. Oh, I have to put another reference. Oh, very important. Okay, no problem. I click on just write keyword. Okay. See the title of the article appear and you can choose what is just really interests you. No problem. Okay, at this point, I got 3 references. At this point, I got 3 references. Now, we have to address the bibliography. The bibliography is very important because after all those references, we have to put the bibliography. Okay. Now, I consider that I will put the bibliography on another page. So to do that, I just click Control Enter, as you know, Control Enter. Okay. And then I click on there, not insert citation, but insert bibliography. As simple as that. I just click on insert bibliography. And then my bibliography is there. Oh, let's continue now. Okay. Okay. Ah, we have to put another reference. Oh, yes, you have to put in. And I click on side effect. Okay. And I click on OK. That's why. You see? Now, automatically, my reference go on the bibliography. No problem. Oh, I forget something. We're supposed to use not IEE school, but it's supposed to Harvard University School. We're supposed to follow this method. Oh, I have to correct that. To correct that. Okay, okay, no problem. I will correct that. And then I will go there at the IEE button and change it. Oh, Harvard reference for my yes. Yes, you know, now you have Borrowware et al. And years, you know, you have no need for that. And Mota, you know, that's the format of. Okay, that's good. And at the end also, anything change to that school. Ah, oh, but we can change it again for the American Medical School. Yeah, it's medicine. You have to respect that. Anyway, we change it easier to the American Medical Association. And then you see what become your reference. So it's easy. I think in another time we will talk about PDF format books. So when I say PDF, because some PDF you won't find the PDF easier on the website, easy to you can put the PDF on Mendeley. Even a books we have at home, the book is not on the website, but you want to put the book on the Mendeley, you can easier. In another video, we will show you that. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and click on the notification button. Very important, just to be keep on when new video always. Have a good day.